Hello, this is Diana from Artfully Yours. And yeah, this is my February mini art supplies haul. Jelly, yeah, one of the things I got was a jelly printing plate, 8 by 10. Wasn't that cheap. It was about $27 on Amazon. But the only other size was 5 by 7 inches, and I thought that, well, the 8 by 10 is probably going to be better. And I've never done jelly printing. I've done printmaking in the past. I went to art school, so I have done different kinds of printmaking. Never this jelly plate printing. And so I got a new 4-inch brayer. And I got what they call deli paper. I don't know if they just use that in the delicatessen. Whatever, 50 sheets of that wasn't too expensive. So that was my very first print, trying it out. I'm going to do a future video just on the jelly printing. And there I'm trying, okay, I still had ink on my jelly plate, so I'm trying to see what it's like through a stencil with the remaining, and there it is. That turned out pretty good. I like how the birds' heads are all like magenta colored. But it looks pale right there though. Then I'm wiping off the plate, and here that's an example of how I used baby wipe to wipe off the plate. Yeah, there I am wiping off cleaning the stencil, I mean, with a baby wipe, and then I get a print. I actually get a print on a journal page. I'm still wiping it off, and there you can see the prints, but I'm going to show a close up, because the colors are stronger. And yeah, that's the print from actually just cleaning off the stencil. And so these are going to be in a future video, not too far. It's going to be on the 14th day of Valentine's Day challenge I'm doing. That was 6-inch wood hearts. I'm going to be using crackling paste. So here I am starting the project with the crackling paste. And you have to put it on thick to get really good crackles. And yeah, I'm in a 14 days of Valentine's Day art. And here I am, in that project, this future project, I'm going to be using white organza ribbon. And then I'm also going to be using this snow text stuff, which is like fake snow. I'm going to be using this antique paste, or antique cream. And in that project's also going to be, like, I got Tim Holtz decorative keyholes. Going to use that in the project. And here, washi tape, which I've seen so many people use in art journaling. I'll be using that. So, thank you for watching, and please like or comment or subscribe. Thank you.